My eyebrows look so good today. This is what I call simple pretty girl makeup, and I want us to discuss it. Let's talk about how we get there. And we're gonna start with the eyebrows, because the eyebrows really carry your face, in my opinion. For me, I do pretty girl makeup, and for that makeup, it's just eyebrow and lip. That is the carrier. And good skin. Hi guys, what's up and welcome to Kynd.views. For those who are not familiar, my name is Prettykynd, and for those who are, welcome back, cutie. But let's get into these eyebrows. Jumping right into it, I have somewhere to go, so I need this to be quick, and it will be. I like to start my eyebrows off with this Anastasia, I'm not sure you say it. This Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel. I have it in Auburn. I just like to go in first with this and just guide my hair to where I want it to be. How I want my eyebrows to form out pretty much before I start drawing. And I want them to be stuck. I want them to be stuck and give fluff. That's better, to put it better. But when it comes to my eyebrows, my bestest of friends, my bestie, Benefit is gonna get me there throughout the rest of my process. When it comes to my eyebrows, Benefits are gonna get me there. It's like I need to have a Benefit pencil. Benefit is gonna carry my eyebrow, and I love Benefits. Here, let me show you. I need to put up stuff or turn my mic on when I'm filming because the echo is probably sickening. So yeah, I go in with the Precisely My Brow. My friend, my closest friend. Benefit is my eyebrow's closest friend. I need to try more of their line because I love these. Oh, I know someone else at the door. But I'm gonna go in with the Precisely My Brow in number 5 because I like a brown. I like a warm brown for my eyebrows rather than black. So I'm gonna go in with this. I need to move it. So now I'm gonna just carve out my brows. And I go to the bottom. I already know the shape that I have in mind. I don't do the same shape every time. It depends on how my hair is typically, and right now it's pulled back, so I want like sleek, fluffy for the vibes, but still give natural. So I don't go too big. When I'm doing this style of brow, I like to cover the bottom line. I like to follow the natural lining of my eyebrow. Not too much on the tip for this style. And the same with the top. I like to hug it close. And then I just kind of fill in there at the tail. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. I need my mirror a little closer. You're just gonna have to see it. Same thing to this side. And notice how I don't come all the way to the front when I'm doing the top. It's so that I can better suit my brows for that fluffy effect that you're gonna see next. But like I said, I just going back over everything, and then I fill in the tail just a little with this pencil. And so this is how they're looking so far. Okay, let's keep going. I feel like my makeup gives so minimum, not that minimum effort went in, but I don't carry on with the eyeshadows. I'm just getting into eyeliners, which I really want to get better at, so that's what I'm doing. So eyebrows and lip are pretty much the main focus of my of my makeup. I very much thrive on enhancing. Like, that's how I like my makeup to be enhanced Like, I consider my makeup pretty enhancement, not I want to be a whole new person. But some people may see it a little differently, but for me, I feel like I'm just enhancing myself. Not, let's be someone new. Not, who is she? Not who is that when I take my makeup off, but let's keep going. Like I said, benefit when it comes to my brows. I love Benefit's pencils. It is what it is. I can't tell if I'm focused though, but I absolutely love Benefit's pencils. So next I'm gonna go in with Precisely My Brow Detailer pencil. I also have this one in 5. When I run out of this, I run to Sephora, literally. Very much, I'm picking this back up every single time. Every time. Now I take this one, and this is how I'm going to draw my hair strokes to give that more fluffy brow. So I just start at the front, and the first one I do is always the shortest. This is what it is. And then I just draw hair strokes the rest of the way. Are you getting the gist? It's already coming together and like very little has been done. But that's what I like, very little. Very easy, very going about my day, very much not spending 2 hours on my eyebrows. Very much, did you draw those or did you grow those? You don't know, like you really need to ask me. Like you don't know, you gotta ask. After I do those initial strokes, I like to just go back through and kind of fill in, but not too much because I'm gonna carry on with a different pencil. So that's how it is so far. Can you see? So far, that's what we're giving. Okay, and there's that one. Let's keep going. Again, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other brow, and notice I did not say same exact thing because when it comes to brows, at least mine, but I keep thinking it's because the door is cracked. Maybe I need a little prayer. But I keep thinking that, no. But when it comes to brows, at least mine specifically, they're related, but they're not identical twins. Like, they might not even be sisters. They're cousins. First cousins. They in the family. They share blood, but again, doing that first stroke, first one, it's because it's not there. First stroke, always gonna be a little shorter. And I just go on. A little note about this pencil, do not put too much out. Literally just a little bit, like that. I don't even know if you can even see that very well, but I don't put a lot out because at first I did, like I would do it too much like that. Here, maybe if I put it there. I would do entirely too much and I was breaking off the pencil. And baby, she's not cheap. She don't act cheap and she don't cost cheap. But it's absolutely worth it. So just keep that in mind for when you go buy it. And I say when because do it. So again, I'm just gonna go off, go back over, do the fill-in. Okay, so next I'm gonna go back in with this brow gel. This brow gel lasted me forever. I've had it for so long. And I'm just gonna brush those back up my hair. Lightly though, I brush these back because you don't want it to mess up those strokes too much. You want them to blend slightly, but not blur. Blend, don't blur. Then we go in with another Benefit. I think I may need this in, if they have it in a darker brown, but this is in medium brown. It looks like that. and it's almost dried out, so I need to head back out. But I just go back over kind of the same thing that I did with that detailer pencil. Please excuse me if I'm defocusing. It's my camera. Well, it's me not changing the settings. I just go back in this kind of the same way I did with the detailer brush. And again, this is gonna help with that fluff effect. And I go fill in even more down here. Look how long my baby hair is, and she's not hiding it. I tried to swoop it back in place. So now that we have that, and like I said, cousins, not sisters. This one's clearly bigger than the other one, but I never really mind that because I know I'm about to go right in with the highlighter. Oh, I found it. Whew, because I was like, Okay, so to carve out my brow, am I focused or am I blind? I can't tell, the lights really are throwing me off. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna carve out my eyebrows now, and I'm just gonna use the Sephora Best Skin Ever to do this part. I just hold this in my hand. I don't wanna get my lap. Why is this right here? I mean, I put it there, but why did I do that is what I'm getting at. I took the Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer, which I think is really good for what I'm using it for in this moment. And then I take the Morphe M210. Is that what this is? Am I a makeup girly? No. I take the M210 from Morphe and I just put just a little bit. I take that. And now I'm just gonna carve out my brows. And typically I would flip my mirror to do this, but oh, that was a lot. Drag it down. So I'm gonna let that dry down just a little bit and get a bit more tackier shit. Is that the word? I'm gonna let it dry down a little bit. We're gonna keep it cute. And I'm gonna do the top before I blend it all out. Actually, I'm gonna do all of my outlining and then I'll blend it out. So let's do the top now. Since I'm going on the top, I need to be putting more product on the bottom of the brush. So this top, the bottom top. And I just do the same. Then I like to come back to the bottom and just cut this off how I see fit, kind of sharpen that line. Oh my gosh, I want to hear this song. I just found this girl on TikTok. Her name's Deja. A fellow Deja. Listen to this. Oh, here it is, I think. Yeah, only makes sense. I was thinking sensory. Good luck on the spot, we celebrating. With the shake dancing, every occasion. I send all my bad bitches in the occasion. It's a shutdown, a situation. My money looking like it's falling from the sky. What a good find. Okay, so I'm gonna go over to the other side, do the same thing. Zuzi, same thing. Sometimes for this side though, I have to change the angle of the brush to better suit. And this is one of those times. It's like, why? And Zuzi, same thing. Well, I kind of need to be this way. Oh, I took a lot off by mistake, and those happen. It's because I'm rushing. Be patient, calm down. Manage my time better, and I won't have to rush. No, I'm kidding. I actually have been. No, I didn't manage my time well today. I was about to lie. Oh. So I'll switch this one up since I messed this one. Oh, I've never done that shape before. I'm kind of messing with it. Kind of seeing about it. Oh no, I messed up. I knew this was gonna be chaotic when I was like, let me do my eyebrows. Every single other video when I'm doing my eyebrows, I skip it. And I come back on camera and I'm like, okay, cool. Oh wait, I see what I can do. So yeah, this is a lesson in just, you just gotta keep going till you get what you want, or start over, which I'm not doing. So I'm just gonna correct. Oh baby, sometimes a start over is necessary, but when it comes to me, I'm most likely not starting over. It's gonna have to just be okay. I'm gonna have to rely on my personality that day. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back over the concealer that I've just carved. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Real Technique brush, and I think this is the deluxe crease brush from Real Technique. I'm just gonna take that and blend everything out now. And I like to pull my eyebrows up because, please, get everything. Get it right, get it tight. And I go in the same order that I did them in, just because. He's like, have you dried down? This one's cute. This cousin, they give them problems. I like to blend the front out towards the other one and then go back, lift. And I do take that down to my lid just to give a more seamless look. And now that my brows are all blended, I'm gonna go once more. I use this down. How do I still have this product for all this time? And I just like to brush my hair up beyond that line that I made so that it's just... Now I'm just gonna finish the rest of my makeup so you can see how they really come together with the makeup. Because right now, I mean, it's getting cute. But I'm gonna continue enhancing and I'll chat with you in just the blackout. Okay. I'm all dressed, so that's the end of this video. Look how they came together. You see how they come together? Thank you so much for watching today's video. As per usual, on to the moon. I've got to go. So, and I need to get a new of these, but like I said, Benefit is my bestie when it comes to my eyebrows. So I'm gonna let that dry down just a little bit and get a bit more tackier. Is that the word? I'm gonna use this twice. No.